Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Mr. English Flow channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm Emily.
Hello.
Henry, what is going on? You look like you robbed a gift shop.
Phew. Hello, everyone. I am Henry, and this is Mr. Fluffy. I bought him for nobody. I just liked him.
He is adorable. But Henry, you know why there are bears and chocolates everywhere, right?
Yes, Emily, because it is February, the month of love, the month of spending money. Whew. It is Valentine's Day season.
Exactly. Valentine's Day is on February 14th. It is a huge cultural event in the USA and many other countries. But talking about love, dating, and romance in English can be tricky.
It is very tricky. I once told a girl, "I like you very much," and she thought I wanted to be just friends. But I wanted to marry her. It was a disaster.
Oh no, see? The vocabulary matters. So today, in this special long episode, we are going to cover everything. We will talk about dating vocabulary, relationship statuses, romantic idioms, and how to ask someone out properly.
This is exactly what I need. Maybe Mr. Fluffy will find a girlfriend after this lesson.
Let's hope so. Let's get started. So Henry, first question. What is Valentine's Day?
It is the day for lovers, husbands and wives, boyfriends and girlfriends.
Correct, but in the USA, it is also for friends and classmates, especially for children. Kids give Valentines to everyone in their class.
Really? So if I give you a card, it doesn't mean I want to marry you.
No, it just means Happy Friendship Day. But for adults, it is usually romantic. We call the person you love your Valentine. So you ask, will you be my Valentine?
Will you be my Valentine? That sounds very formal, like a proposal.
It is a classic tradition. It just means, will you celebrate this day with me?
Okay, and what do people do?
They go out for a romantic dinner. They buy bouquets of flowers, usually red roses, and they eat heart-shaped chocolates.
I am already eating the chocolates. I am my own Valentine.
Before you get married, you have to start somewhere. Let's talk about the beginning stages. Henry, imagine you see a girl. She is beautiful. You don't know her, but you like her. What do we call that feeling?
I call it panic.
In English, we call it a crush. I have a crush on her. He is my crush.
A crush. Like when you crush a can?
Same spelling, different meaning. It means a strong attraction. And if you talk to her and try to make her like you, that is called flirting.
Flirting. I am terrible at flirting. I usually just talk about the weather.
Talking about the weather can be flirting if you smile. Now, if you like each other, you might go on a date.
A date. This word is confusing. Is it the day, February 14th, or the meeting?
It is both. A date, I have a date tonight. To date, we are dating. We are in a relationship. The date, what is the date today?
Wow, context is important. I have a date on a date.
Exactly. And if you ask someone to go out with you, the phrasal verb is ask out.
I want to ask her out.
Perfect.
Okay, Emily, I have a question. On Facebook, there are many statuses. What do they mean?
Let's go through them. 1. Single. You have no partner.
That is me, single and ready to mingle.
2. Taken. You have a partner. You are busy.
Sorry, ladies, I am taken. I wish I could say that.
3. It's complicated. This means maybe you are fighting, or maybe you are not official yet.
The drama status.
And here is a modern slang term, ghosting. Do you know what ghosting is?
Is it about Halloween?
No, ghosting is when you are texting someone and suddenly they stop. No reply. They disappear like a ghost.
Oh, that is rude. That happened to me last year. I was ghosted.
It happens to the best of us. Another one is third wheel.
Third wheel, like a tricycle?
If you join them on a date, you are the extra wheel. You are the third wheel.
I am the king of third wheels. I always go to dinner with my married friends. It is so awkward.
Now, let's make you sound like a native speaker with some idioms. If you fall in love very fast, we say, love at first sight.
Love at first sight, like in Disney movies.
Yes, and if you are deeply, madly in love, we say, I am head over heels.
Head over heels, like a cartwheel?
It means you are completely in love. He is head over heels for her.
That is a nice image.
Another one, to pop the question.
Pop the question. Which question? Where is the bathroom?
No, the big question. Will you marry me? So he popped the question means he proposed.
Valentine's Day is a popular day to pop the question.
It is. And finally, to tie the knot.
Tie the knot. Like a rope?
It means to get married.
So the timeline is first, crush, second, head over heels, third, pop the question, and fourth, tie the knot.
You got it. That is the circle of love.
Emily, sometimes I see cards that say, I love you very much, with a picture of a bear. Is that romantic?
We call that cheesy or corny.
Cheesy. Like cheese?
It means it is a silly joke or too emotional or a bit embarrassing, but in a cute way. Valentine's Day is very cheesy.
So, saying your eyes are like stars is cheesy?
Very cheesy, but some people like it.
I love cheesy. I am going to tell my future wife, you are the cheese to my macaroni.
That is definitely cheesy, Henry. Good luck with that.
Now, what if you hate Valentine's Day? What if you are single and sad?
Then you can celebrate Galentine's Day.
Galentine's?
Yes, gal is a slang word for girl. On February 13th, many women celebrate their female friends. It is about friendship, not romance.
That is cool. Is there a Guyentine's Day?
Not officially, but you can hang out with your bros. Or you can just treat yourself. Buy yourself chocolate. That is self-love.
That is what I am doing with Mr. Fluffy here. Self-love and chocolate.
Okay, Henry, this is the most important part of the video. The role play. I want you to ask me out on a Valentine's date. Use the vocabulary. Be polite.
Okay, I am sweating.
Don't be nervous. Just be natural.
Excuse me, Emily?
Yes, Henry?
I was wondering, are you single or taken?
I am single at the moment.
Great. Well, I have a small crush on you. And since Valentine's Day is coming up,
Yes?
would you like to go on a date with me? I know a great restaurant. It is not cheesy.
That sounds lovely, Henry. When?
How about February 14th? I can pick you up at 7 p.m.
I would love that.
Yes! She said yes! I have a date!
Great job. You were polite. I was wondering. You were clear. Would you like to go? And you made a specific plan. Pick you up at 7.
And I didn't say I love you too early.
Exactly. Keep it casual for the first date. Before we finish, it is interesting to know that Valentine's Day is different around the world. In the USA, men usually give gifts to women. But Henry, did you know in Japan it is the opposite?
Really?
Yes, in Japan and Korea, women give chocolate to men on February 14th.
I am moving to Japan immediately.
And then 1 month later, on March 14th, the men have to give gifts back. It is called White Day.
That sounds fair. I like that system.
In Finland, February 14th is called Friends Day. It is not about romance at all. It is just for friends.
That is nice. No pressure to find a girlfriend.
Wow, we covered a lot today. We talked about dating, idioms, slang, and traditions.
I feel like a doctor of love. I am ready for the 14th.
Let's recap the top 3 phrases to remember. First, will you be my Valentine? The classic question. Second, I have a crush on you. I like you. And third, to ask someone out. Invite on a date.
And don't forget third wheel. Try not to be one.
So friends, whether you are single, taken, or it's complicated, we hope you have a great day.
Use these words to impress your crush, or just impress your cat. English is for everyone.
Now, we have a very romantic question for you guys today.
Ooh, I want to know.
What is the most romantic or cheesy thing you have ever done for someone? Did you write a poem? Did you buy 100 roses?
Or did you buy a giant bear like me? Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your love stories.
And if you are single, tell us how you celebrate.
If you loved this video, please show us some affection. Hit the like button.
And subscribe to the Mr. English Flow channel. We are head over heels for our subscribers.
That was cheesy, Emily.
I know. Thanks for watching.
Happy Valentine's Day. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.